How to unhide conversation on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unhide conversation on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype, and then of course you need to search for your conversation to find it because it's hidden. Click here and type the title of the conversation, friends, and this is the conversation. Click on it and then click here, and now go down and you will find this one here, unhide conversation. Click on it, and as you see, the conversation has been unhided. And that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.